Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Synapse REST API, a comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process of using the Azure Synapse REST API to manage and analyze your data. In this tutorial, we will cover the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get you started with Azure Synapse REST API. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse REST API is a set of APIs that allow you to manage and analyze your data in Azure. Synapse Analytics, a cloud-based analytics service that combines enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. The REST API provides a programmatic way to interact with Azure Synapse, allowing you to automate tasks, integrate with other applications, and build custom solutions. To get started with Azure Synapse REST API, you need to register an Azure Active Directory application and grant the necessary permissions. This will provide you with a client ID and client secret, which you will use to authenticate with the Azure Synapse REST API. Next, you need to choose the right API endpoint for your task. Azure Synapse REST API provides a range of endpoints for different tasks, such as creating and managing databases, executing queries, and managing users and roles. For example, to create a new database, you would use the database's endpoint. Now, let's look at a practical example. Suppose you want to create a new database in Azure Synapse using the REST API. You would send a POST request to the database's endpoint with the required parameters, such as the database name and location. The request would look like this. You would specify the API version, the subscription ID, the resource group name, the workspace name, and the database name. In addition to creating databases, you can also use the Azure Synapse REST API to execute queries and manage users and roles. For example, to execute a query, you would send a POST request to the query endpoint with the query text and other parameters, such as the database name and timeout. When using the Azure Synapse REST API, it's essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions, using secure authentication and authorization, and optimizing performance. You should also be aware of the API limitations and throttling, and plan your application accordingly. In conclusion, Azure Synapse REST API provides a powerful way to manage and analyze your data in Azure Synapse Analytics. By following this tutorial and practicing with the API, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse and build custom solutions that meet your business needs. Remember to always follow best practices and optimize your application for performance and security. With Azure Synapse REST API, you can automate tasks, integrate with other applications, and build custom solutions that drive business insights and innovation.